Hello, this is Astos Pandey. This is my final assignment or project on distribution frequency using histogram plots in courses machine learning using Python. So in this project we try to understand how to draw histogram plots using Python. This is our command prompt. So we have need matplotlib library. So with the help of this library we can draw histogram plot using Python. So first we have to install this library using our command prompt. So see this, how we install our library. Right here pip install matplotlib. Using this command we can install our library matplotlib and press enter like this and wait for a few moments, and this is successful message and our library automatically installed in our system. After this we need to install Anaconda Navigator, and we can see there are multiple options. We have cmd.exe prompt, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, and so on. So in this project I am trying to using Jupyter Notebook, and you are watching here. See this button, this is a launch button. Just click on this button and start your Jupyter Notebook. This is our Jupyter Notebook. See here, this is our code section, or this is called cell in Jupyter Notebook. So one by one we try to understand what is this. So see here, import, first line is import matplotlib. This is our library which is installed by command prompt. .pyplot, this is a class. We know that Python is also an object oriented programming. So बाकी अदर प्रोग्रामिंग्स की तरह यहाँ पर भी हम क्लास और ऑब्जेक्ट के कॉन्सेप्ट पे काम करते हैं. सो यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि matplotlib, दिस इज आवर लाइब्रेरी, और उस लाइब्रेरी में यहाँ पर एक क्लास बना हुआ है pyplot. एज आगे आप देख रहे हैं एज plt. सो with the help of plt object or variable we can access all those functions which is defined in this class or in this library. Next line, edges. This is a list. We created a list edges and there are multiple parameters. You can watch here, 244 to 23 to and so on. After that there is a range variable or function. After that bins equals to 10, and this is plt.hist. With the help of plt object we can access all those functions which is defined in the matplot library. So in this line we call hist function to draw a histogram plot. So in this there are two parameters are mandatory. Basically there are two parameters are mandatory in hist function. First is x-axis and second is y-axis. So for the x-axis we are using here edges, and for the y-axis we are using here bins. After this there are ranges, comma color, comma hist type, comma r width. This is optional, it's depend on you. You can use this or you can avoid this, but there are two parameters are very mandatory, x-axis and y-axis. Next line is plt.xlabel. whatever you want to show on x-axis or x-axis messages, you can use x label. Like same this plt dot y label. For the y-axis I am writing here y beans. For your title, plt.title, histogram plot by Ashutosh Pandey. Look, this is a title. Whatever you want to show, you can write here. And at the end, call show function, which is defined in the matplotlib library. So with the help of plot object, we can call show function plt.show, and this is a run button. Just click here and you can see this output. Look, I try to change the variable. Suppose I am writing here 65 and again I try to run. Look, this is our output, but after putting the value 65, again I am going to run and watching the output carefully. This is another plotted here for 65. So this is our small project, how to draw histogram plots using Pythons. Thank you for watching this video. This is our final assignment or project on distribution frequency using histogram plots submitted by Ashutosh Pandey.